Good evening, Noor. We are going to start within 3 to 4 minutes. Let others also join. Have you completed your project? Okay, perfect. Okay, so good evening, everyone. I hope that you have completed your respective project, whatever is given to you. So let's start with the presentation part because only 3 students has joined. So how many of you have completed your project, everyone? Okay, no problem. Just in whichever thing you are like comfortable, go with that. Okay. There is no need that only you have to use English. You can use English, no problem. Just be confident, and there is no worries about that because everyone is here for learning. Okay. So don't hesitate. Just go with whatever you have prepared, and you are going to deliver well. Okay. So all the best. Just start your presentation, share your screen, and let us know that what you have created. Okay, so Rutuja, you have also completed it. And what about you, Davidisa? Okay, perfect. Yes, it is visible, but your voice is coming multiple times, echoing, I guess. Hello, Noor. Okay, so yes, now you can start with the presentation. Noor, we are actually not able to get your voice. Okay, Noor, then just join with the phone for and use it as your mic. Okay, so okay, no issues. Then Rutuja, are you prepared with your project? We can take your presentation. Hello Rutuja, am I audible to you? Hello Rutuja, are you there? Okay, okay. So just share your screen as Noor is having issue with the mic. So we will proceed further with you, and up to then she will try to resolve it.
So still my voice is not.
Yes, yes, Noor, it is echoing like we are getting it three, four times. So no problem with you. We can proceed with Rutuja first. Okay.
So I'm audible?
Yes, yes, you are.
Yeah. So my screen is visible.
Yes, yes, your screen is visible. Just let us know that what you have created and then explain the bit of code part for it. Okay.
So one more important point actually, I have not uploaded on the GitHub some issue. So
Okay, just present it to me now, and after the session, you can try to upload it on GitHub. Okay, if there will be any issue, then
yeah,
you can,
yeah, yes, sir.
yeah, let me know. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, sir. So actually, I have created the real estate website. In that, okay. So first of all, um, okay, so this is the website that have I created.
Wait, it is loading for me. Uh, is there anyone who is getting his screen, or because I am not able to? Yeah, right now it is loaded.
Yeah. Sir, can I refresh again so you
Uh,
can visible it clearly?
yes, what? Sorry.
No, sir, nothing.
Okay,
So
now
now
it
it's
is.
visible.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah. Sir, can I proceed further?
Sure, yes.
Sir, I have created just one website using the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. In that, I have created the nav bar and some section like card section. In that, I have a search bar section, and also we have to add become and a footer. So this is a real estate website. In that, we have to search like apartment, villa, and house using the search bar. This is helpful for the user to search the this house or villa or apartment.
Okay.
I'm little bit nervous actually.
Okay, no
I
problem.
don't get what exactly. Yeah.
No problem. Continue. You are doing good.
What? Okay. So can I means coding part also sharing? Yeah.
Yes, yes. Just let me know that how you have created this nav bar and the card-like structure over there,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
then explain. Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, sir. This is the index.html file. So it is visible.
Yes, yes, it is.
Hmm. In that, I have created a nav bar section. In that, we have to add home, listing, and contact. Uh, in that next part, which is a search bar, in that we have to search the location or the name of that particular apartment. Or this is actually the JavaScript part in the on click and the search property. Next thing, which is nothing but the I have add some section ID properties. It can be used for the card actually,
Okay.
and actually it is not useful. It is I'm doing okay. And this is the footer section. Next thing, which sorry, okay, yeah. This is the script.js file. In that I can create a variable properties and like an
Uh,
array. So we have to add some name, price, location, and image in that. So just like we have first for
Rutuja,
sharing in that.
sorry,
So
Rutuja,
the
to
card
interrupt
is,
you.
yeah.
Yes. So have you
Yes.
opened the script.js? Because I am only getting index.js at my screen.
Okay.
I guess there is a network issue at your end. Please try to rejoin
Yeah.
and
Yes,
check.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Then just
Sir, can I leave?
yes, you can just rejoin the
Means
session. Okay. Yeah.
yeah, yeah, sir.
Okay. Okay. So, well, Rutuja, you are presenting well. Okay. So just be confident and the two files are left. Just also elaborate that and you are done with your presentation. So you are doing good. Okay. Just share your screen, Rutuja.
Sir, I'm sharing the screen. It is not visible for you.
No, it is not. It's it's loading. Just a
But
second.
it's a network issue, so that's
Okay, okay. I will do one thing that as you are also facing network issue and Noor is facing mic issue, so I will take the presentation tomorrow. Is it
yeah.
okay?
Yes, sir. No problem.
Uh, okay, okay. So We
Sir,
can, yes, Noor.
sir, is my voice still echoing?
No, no, now it is not echoing, it is coming properly.
So, sir, can I present?
Yes, yes, now you can present.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so good, Rutuja.
Sir, can I stop it?
Yes, yes,
Yes, thank you,
Rutuja.
sir.
Sir, is my screen visible?
Yes, it is.
So, sir, from the list, I have choose wedding invitation website because my sister wedding is coming. So I think I should make this website.
Okay,
So
good.
I have given this website name as Zojan. It is an Arabic word which means spouses. So in this, I have put our story, key events, venue, wedding ceremony, and RSVP in the navbar. And first one, it is the hero page in which there is some Quranic verse, and then this is the page.
Okay,
And after
good.
that, it is the our story as mentioned in uh, uh, the document that it should contain our story at part and venue part and RSVP. So I mentioned the our story part. So in this, it is the um, journey of the couple. Then after that, it is I have shown key events and countdowns. So there are three main parts: nikah, and ruksati and walima, which is reception. So
Okay,
and after that there is a venue part, and for the ease I have also attached the map. And after that it is the parents of bride and parents of groom part. And in this RSVP I have joined, I have attached the Google form. From that the person who will attend or not can be confirmed.
okay, perfect.
So sir, this is my website.
Good,
and
good work.
and and in GitHub I have uh this is the, so I have create the live site is live. This is my uh website link
Okay,
in GitHub.
perfect. Okay,
And so this is the coding part. First one is HTML, then CSS. And
I am
so
not able,
due
I'm not able to see your code part. I am getting your GitHub page right now.
okay sir, 1 minute, 1 minute sir.
Yes, yes, sure. Take your time.
Sir, is it visible?
Yes, yes, now it is visible. Just
Mm.
elaborate the key points from here. Okay.
Yes sir. So in the index part, as I mentioned, it contains basically five parts. Our story. First one is nav bar. So in that I have mentioned our story, key event, venue, wedding ceremony, and RSVP. After that there is a hero section. In that I have mentioned one paragraph and one photo. And after that there is our story section, in which there is a paragraph, and there is a paragraph here. And uh, beside this there is a image, as I mentioned here. And after
Okay.
that there is a dates and section with countdown. And for countdown I have used JavaScript, which I will show. And after that there is a venue section, in which I have mentioned for map I have used Google Map. And after that there is events, which is wedding ceremony events, nikah, ruksati, and walima. And after that there is a RSVP and there is a footer. And in
Good.
style CSS, so for ease I have mentioned separately navigation bar, so that cannot be confused. And there's a hero
Yes.
section, and
Okay.
after that there's, and in script.js. So as I am a beginner to this, so I have take little bit uh, help of AIs to understand the code.
Actually, there is no problem in that to just take the help of AI. If AI is there, you have to use
Yes,
it at the end. If you are not going to use it, then
yes,
you are just left behind with the crowd. Okay.
yes,
So
sir.
there is nothing like that. Yeah, that you are restricted to use AI. It is good that you are using it. Just each and every logic which you are writing over there, that must be
Yes,
clear at your end. Okay.
yes, sir.
Okay.
So, sir, this is the countdown part in which I have used Indian dates and date and timing, and after that for smooth scrolling, I have used this part. So
Okay.
that, as I will show. So is my screen visible? Yes.
Yes. Yes.
So like this, if I click here, so I can go to the our story part, and if I click here, I will go to the key events part. So for smooth scrolling, I have used that part of JavaScript.
Okay. Good.
So sir, this is my website.
Okay, okay. Well done, Noor. You have done a great job. And
Thank you.
also, Rutuja, you guys have, this is the first time you are presenting, I guess. And that's great that you have completed the task within time. Because, see, many students join the session, but in time of presentation, they just leave the group or they just don't attend the sessions. So this is good that you have completed the first task and this will just boost your confidence and in the upcoming weeks you are going to create much interesting projects at your end. So great work, guys.
And sir, also in my home there is painting work going on, so I was unable to make more attractive
Okay.
website.
No, no, still it is very good. Great work. Okay.
Thank
So
you, sir.
now, thank you. Now, Devijisa, let's check what you have created. So just share your screen and let us know. Hello, Devijisa. Am I audible to you? Yeah, yeah.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, yes.
So please can you hear me?
Yes. Now
Hello.
I just
Is my
just
voice
just
audible?
okay. Just a second. Just a second. Just give me 2 minutes. Okay, Devijisa.
So please can I go ahead? Sir?
Yes, yes. Just 2 minutes. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, now Davidisa, we can start with your presentation. So, your screen is visible. Just unmute yourself and start with it. Hello, Davidisa, am I audible? Hello, am I audible, guys? Okay, okay. So I guess there is also network issue at Davidisa end. Hello, Davidisa, are you there? Hello, Davidisa. I guess his connection is weak. So I guess guys, we can start with the React part because we have already taken the presentation. For her, I will take the presentation later on, like she's also completed it. So let me share my screen. Just a second. So is my screen visible, everyone? Wait, what happened? Is my screen visible, everyone? Okay, so let's start from where we have left in yesterday's session. Like we were doing class components. So let's go to first VS Code. And I guess we were here. Yeah, so I was telling you about the syntactical difference between class component. Just before starting with that, let me know that what is the basic difference between class component and functional component? Just let me know about that, that what is the basic difference between class component and functional component. Like based on state, I am asking, okay? Okay, perfect, Rutuja. Just a second. Okay, so yes, David is am I audible to you?
Sir, so disconnected. I just connected.
Okay, okay. Yeah, I think that there is a connection problem at your end. Can you reshare your screen and then try to present? Otherwise, if there is any network issue, then I will take your presentation in the upcoming session. No problem in that. Just let me know.
Sir, please can you see my screen?
Now try to share your screen.
Sir,
Yes, yes.
sir,
Actually,
sir,
see,
please can you see my screen? Okay,
y
so sir decided to one's website.
your screen is not visible and your voice is also breaking. I guess there is a network issue at your end. I'm still actually I'm still unable to get you see your screen. It is loading for me. So if there is like any problem with the connection, then I can take the presentation tomorrow. No worries in that.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, my hello.
Yes, yes, Davidisa, we are not
Sir, is
actually
my
getting.
screen?
No, no, it is not visible.
Sir,
Davidisa, just check the chat box once. It's still not visible. Okay, guys. So as her network is not uh, good, so that's why we are proceeding with our React portion. Like we were learning about components and we were on class components. So just give me a second. Up to then, just revise this bit of code, that what this code is doing, and then we will start with it. Okay. Okay, so let's start with this part. Eight. This is we have completed that how to create a class component. Like we have to use class keyword first, and then we have to extend it with the react dot components so that we can use this render function. And this is the library from where we are going to import this function. So first of all, we have to import this library, which we were doing in our VS Code. Like here, you can see import React from React. This one is there. Why we are importing it? So that we can use this React dot component part at our end. Okay. So this is how the class component works. Now there is something which is component structure, constructor. So as we are talking about a class, then there is no meaning of that without any constructor. Constructor have the same name as class, and it definitely, you know, that it is used to create an instance of an object. So that's what we are going to see over here, that what it is doing. So first of all, see this example. This bit of code I will let you know, and then we will execute in VS Code, then it will be clear to you. Just a second. So class car extends React dot component, then they are calling a constructor. Like they are not calling this render directly, they are calling a constructor. And as I told you that this constructor create the instance, like an object for the class. So here what is happening, that this through this super function is called, and they are setting the current state of object. Like when this constructor is called, object is created, then they are just initializing the initial state of that object, means this dot state. This is referring to the current object. Change the state of that object. In the state they want color to be red, means that if now I will call any element with the color attribute, then it will print me red color over there. Okay. But see in render function, what they are doing? They are just simply returning that H2 tag, I am a car. They are not using any color component, so they will not get any output regarding this. So it is not basically a good example to understand it. Let's move further and see in the upcoming example, have they worked with this? Like if they have declaring a state of color to red, then have they rendered it over here or not? Then it will be a good example. So let's discuss about, yeah, this is good example. So see here what is happening. First of all, you are creating your car component. Okay. What it will do? It will just import the React component part from the React library and then call the constructor. Constructor get first whenever we are just initializing an object into the DOM, document object model. Okay. What is happening? You are setting the color to be red, and where you are all doing this? To the current state, means this dot state is referring to the current state of your object. Now see, return. Hi, I am a this dot state dot color. This dot state dot color. What is the output for it? You can guess it. And car. So just in the chat box, let me know that what must be the output for this particular line. The code is in front of you. I just want the output, that what it will return to me as an output. Just in chat box, I am a this dot state dot color car. So just provide me the output in the chat box. Wait. Okay. So Noor, are you also actually unable to see my screen? Rutuja, I was telling about this. I don't know that you from where you have left the session. So see, in this car component, what is happening? There is a constructor. Constructor basically we know that it is used to create an instance of an object. Okay. So what will happen over here? This dot state means you are setting the current state of your object as color to be red. Means if there is any color attribute that will be set it to red in your current state. See, now you have to guess the output for this. I am a this dot state dot color car. So just let me know that what will be the output for it. I am a this dot state dot color car. Simple output will be there. Okay, so is the internet issue is with me? I am a car in red color. No, basically it will just provide you. I am a from here. This dot state dot color means go to this dot state and then check the color attribute property. So it will just return red to us. So it will be like I am a red car. Okay. So you will, yeah, perfect. Now you are correct. So now is the screen visible, Noor and Rutuja? Okay, perfect. So is it clear to you also, Rituja, that how the output is coming, that here how red is evaluating? Because they are targeting to the current object, which is this dot state, and then checking the color attribute value for it. Like dot color, through dot they are appending this one after that other. And as these curly braces are there, then it will just return any specific value regarding that if that was defined. Okay, perfect. So we can also just execute this in our VS Code because practical implementations are also important. So what I will do, just I will change this bit of code. What I have done over here, I have just appended that component part over here and everything is same. Also, I don't have to change anything in app.jsx because they are importing the car component and they are just calling the car component. Now, how to execute it? First of all, we have to go to our particular folder. So all these files are there inside the React folder. And right now we are where? We are in A11 React. So we are in the main directory. So let's change the directory to that. Just a second. Yeah. So how we will change the directory? CD space and then React means change the directory to React. Now we have inside React. Now I will just execute npm run dev to see a front end part hosted by React. So right now you can see we are getting output. I am a red car as you all have predicted correctly. So that is the actual answer for it. Okay. Now let's discuss about props. That what is props, and then there is upcoming section of props also. So see, another way of handling component properties is using props. Props are like function arguments. We have already know about props that it stands for property and they are just like function arguments. Whatever value we are just passing off through them, they will just append to the state of the component. You send them in component as attribute. Okay. Like in app.jsx, we pass these properties and that will be evaluated then. So let's try to see this part of code. What is happening over here? That you are using a car component. I am a this dot props dot color. Now see what is not mentioned here, that you are not basically using this color attribute. This color attribute is not declared over here because you are not using any constructor. So to perform the same thing and to get the output, what you can do, that whenever you are going to call your car component, just share then the color value to that. Okay, so let's try to execute it, then it will be more clear. Just a second. See here what I will do in the car.jsx part. I will change this bit of portion because this I have to import and this I have to export so that I can use it in another file. So in app.jsx, now see what I have to do. The color was not mentioned there. So we are going to use color attribute and I will provide them the color to be blue, suppose. Okay. And if now I just execute that page, so are you able to see I am a blue car? So also like we were passing argument through our constructor, that was also appending the uh, that properties part to our component. But if suppose there is no component over there, there is no constructor over there, then how you can add this value? You can use props for that. Okay, clear? Uh, is still screen not visible, guys? Actually, just a second. Let me see that what is the issue. Okay. So Noor, like in between, if there is any scenario that my screen is not visible or Rutuja, then just make sure that you can unmute yourself and let me know. Okay. Because in between the session, actually, I am unable to just check that is the screen is visible to you guys or not. Because at my end, I am getting it that it is visible. Okay, okay. Okay, then when it is not visible to you, just let me know while just unmuting yourself. Okay, so Rituja, is this current example is clear to you that how we have shared the prop part over here, that I have shared this color to be blue in the app.jsx. Yes, yes. Actually, she and Davidisa are facing today a network problem. Okay, so no worries, like Rutuja, if there is such a scenario, then you can just go through the recorded sessions. Okay, like link are already shared in your groups, and also the updated videos are uploaded at in YouTube. YouTube, so you can just go through with that. Okay, okay. So let's continue. Now, props in constructor. Right now, what you have done, you have just used props directly over here, like this dot props dot color. So you were using props. That's why you have provided a prop part over here. But now what they are saying that you are going to use prop in constructor, means there will be constructor, and in that you have to use prop. So let's discuss about this example, then it will be clear to you. See, class car extends react.component. Okay, you have created a class component having name car. Now you want a constructor and your constructor is taking the props. Okay. And what it is doing, it is just rendering it that I am a this dot props dot model. See, if we don't write this bit of code and still try to execute this part, it is same as the upper part. Okay. But they are just telling you that in case if you want to use a prop inside constructor, and after that, if you just mention this part over here, like this dot class dot model part over here, let's try to execute this first. Okay, then we will do few changes over here so that we can try to check it that what is happening over here in car.jsx. See what I am doing. just removing this bit of code. And right now what I have to pass, I have to pass a model. Okay. So what I will do in app.jsx, I basically change model to BMW, suppose. BMW. Okay. And if I execute this, then I am a BMW is coming. Same type of output we will getting if we just remove this bit of part. Okay. Like, let me also show you that how it is happening. If I have removed that part from there, still if I reload this, you can see I am getting the output. Okay. But this is like why they have just appended this part, so that you can get an idea that in constructor you can also share the prop. Okay. Like suppose if I do few changes now in code part, and here basically what I will do, just a second, I will just use okay. So here you have called the super keyword. After that, what I will do, this wait, cap lock is on. This dot state is equivalent to, now I will use a model, and the value of model to be just a second, how to give it okay. And suppose now I will give it Audi. Okay. And if now I execute this code, then you can get the output. If I refresh it, oh wait, yes, I have to just do one thing in my app.jsx. I have to remove model from here. Like, I am not sharing any prop right now from here. Still it will execute. Okay. No, not executing. Just a second. I have to use in car.jsx. See what is happening, that I am using this dot state. Okay, so the state must be there to execute it. Then it will run. Yeah, now it is coming. So basically, the main motive of this particular code is that if you are using prop, okay, then you can access that prop here. Okay, but if you are not using props here, and if you want to just append the prop part over here, like here, if you want to mention any prop, then it will provide you the output same as the output which constructor is providing to you. Okay, there is no difference in that. Just in the upcoming case, if they will use prop over here, they will also use it within the code part. So if we are going to go through the upcoming examples, then it will be more clear. Just a second, let me just go to this part, which is component in the component. Okay, so when prop section will become, I will let you know about that part, that how they are using it through constructor. Okay, so no worries in that. Let's start with components and components. We have already seen it in the functional component part. What is happening here? One component will be there inside another component. So as you can see, garage is the parent component and it will have your car component. So what will be the output? Just provide me the output. If we try run this bit of code, then what will we will get as an output? Just let me know about that so that I will not going to repeat it then. If you are going to just let me know about the output of it, then we will just further proceed. Yes, here is the screen. Yes, Rutuja, your answer is perfect. This is what we will get. Okay, so that's why I'm not executing it, because I know that you know about this concept as we have already covered it. Now, components in files. That's all you also know, that we were executing it like this only, that we are creating a separate file like car.jsx, and then we are just executing this Okay, so it is also clear to you. Now, after that, what is the concept? Let's go through with it. Like they are creating a vehicle.jsx. Just a second. Yes, they are creating vehicle.jsx. There they are using import line. There they are using export line. We are also doing the same. So that's why I'm not executing it. Now React class component state. Now let's talk about state in here. React class component have a built-in state. Up to now, why state was not defined? Because we were reading functional component. As long as we come to this class part, you can see we are introduced with a new term which is state. I have already told you that state is a dynamic property and it will change accordingly if the DOM manipulates. Like I have given you the Instagram post, suppose feed part, like there the like count increase. If some user is interacting with it, there will be the comment box which will increase by default. User to user, the post content also change. So that is state, which is variable and which will change with time. You might have noticed that we have used state earlier in the components construction. The state object is where you store property value that belongs to the component. The state object changes, the component re-renders. Means whenever the state is going to change. If you are just suppose if like button is the state and you are changing the count of that, then what happened? That React re-render the that particular like button, and then you will see from one the like count will increase by one and become two. Okay, so that is what they are saying, that when a state changes, React indirectly re-render your component. Okay. Now, how to create a state object? Let's see that how we can create a state object. From this example, see what they are doing. They are using a constructor, and inside that they are using props, a super function which is also using your prop. Then this dot state is basically how you are defining their object state. Okay. And what is the state value? There they are using brand, and the brand name is Ford. So this is the example. Here they are not using state. So this is not a good example. If I scroll a bit down, here also they are not defining it. But when we come to this example, okay, let me explain this example to you and then it will be clear to you. Just a second. See, here what is happening? This dot state. Now this is objects. How they are objects? Because they have key and value attribute. If brand is the key, Ford it its value. Model is the key, Mustang is its value. Color is the key, red is the value. Year is 1964. So this is basically how you can define a particular object through state. Now just see this part. My this dot state dot brand means this dot state is already there. If I go to the brand value, what I will get? I will get Ford. So for this, I will get my Ford. Then paragraph tag. It is a this dot state dot color. Now come to color property means here what will happen? Red will rendered. It is a red. Then model name Mustang and from 1964. This will be the final output for you. Okay, so let's try to execute it and go through with the output part. Just a second, let me copy it. Okay, and here basically what I will do, I will paste it over here. And if I just refresh my site, or like you can see over here, my Ford, it is a red Mustang from 1964. This is also coming. Okay, so this dot state, while using only one output, like we were using like colored red, they are used a whole object over there and it is working fine for the object also. So let me just paste this code part at your end. Just try to execute it and then we will move further. Just let me know about the output, what you are getting. Are you trying, guys? Okay, okay, no problem, Noor. And as Rutuja is also facing the problem, so no problem in that. Let's continue further. Is it clear to you? Just let me know about this. That is it clear? Okay. Now there is an example that to change a value in state, we are going to use this dot set state function. Means if you have defined something like this dot state and then you are having some values like brand value as called, and as a user you want to change that value, then through this dot set state you can change the value. So let's try to first see the example. When a value in state object changes, the component will re-render, meaning that the output will change according to the new values. What they are saying, let me tell you in short, that suppose if brand value is set it to 4 and I will use this dot set state function and change the brand value to suppose Audi, sorry, to suppose Audi. Then when I will just print the output for it, it will provide me the output as Audi, not Ford. So let's try to see this part. Okay. This dot state brand is Ford, model is Mustang. This we have already seen. Up to this bit of code we have already seen. Now see what is happening. There is a change color function. Okay. This dot set state, it is using set state function, means it can change the value whatever is mentioned over here. So they are changing the color to red, from red to blue. See, this is happening over here through this set state. Is it an important function that through set state what you can do? You can change the state. So now see what this will provide. It will provide my this dot state dot brand. Means first of all the brand name. What is the brand name? It is Ford. It is a this dot state dot color, means it is a, now see, now it will provide me red color because node set state function is triggered right now. Okay, so it will provide me that it is a red color. In red in color means it is a red. This dot state model is right now Mustang and from 1964. Okay, first of all we will get output through this. Now there is a button. They are creating a button and type is button, as we have already seen in the form section. Like we can create a button like this and we can provide the type of button like this. on clicking means we are performing some operation that on when I'm going to click on that button, what it will do? It will call my change color function. Now let's go to change color function and see that what it is doing. So this dot change color means it will trigger my change color function. When we go to change color function, it is using set state. Important, again, I am saying it that this is important. Through set state, what you can do, you can change any attribute. Here, what you are doing, you are changing the color from red to blue. So what the output will be now, that in this dot state color, it will basically provide you color blue. Let's try to execute this code, and then I will provide you the proper explanation for it, that how is it happening. Okay, so okay, wait, I have to import React now. Let me just do this. Let me now copy paste it. Oh, wait. Here it is. Let me just paste it over here. And when I execute this, you can see what I was saying, that my Ford is coming. It is a red Mustang is coming, and then the button is coming. See, when I am going to click, right now I'm not clicking, I am just hovering over it. When I will just click, you can see the color is changed to blue. Okay, this is what I was saying. Let me again show you that right now it is red. Then what will happen? There is a button in the code, like this is the button here. And on clicking on that button, the change color function will trigger. Let's go to the change color function definition. What it will do? It will change the color to blue. Okay. So when I will just provide change color, it will change the color to blue. So that's it. It is happening like this. So I am just providing you the code over there in the chat box. Okay. And I hope that it is clear to you that how we are using set state. So just let me know in the chat box that why we are using set state and what is the function of using set state. Just provide me that in the output. Okay, so basically right now, as you can see, now the next part is life cycle of components. So I will just do one thing, that as you guys are also facing network issue. So I will start this particular topic in the upcoming session, as Rutuja has also left the session because of network issue. So Noor, we are going to continue with this from tomorrow session. And I hope that up to now, whatever we have covered, it is clear to you. Just let me know in the chat box. Okay, okay. Thank you, Noor, for joining, and good project at your end. Just keep doing the good work. Okay. So we'll connect with all of you tomorrow. Thank you so much for joining. Right now, not you have to share it, but we will provide in between, we will provide a Google form where you have to submit all these things. Okay. So that's why I was asking you to maintain that part with you. And it is important. That is good that you have make it live from first week, because at last we will just check these things, that how many students have given the live link. Okay, and offer letter you will get, like right now what is happening, that students have not filled both the forms, so that's why offer letter is not released up to yet. So we'll ask with the team that when you will get the offer letter. Okay. So no problem in that. You will get the offer letter. Okay. Okay. So if there any doubt, you can ask. Otherwise, we are just good to wrap this session and we will continue with the life cycle of React in tomorrow session. Okay. Okay. So thank you so much for joining, Noor, and now we can just wrap the session. So you can leave if there is any doubt.